Hello, my name is Marcello with 3S Shooting Sport Software. Today I would like to show you how to use Presquad.com by downloading the 3S file provided and loading that into 3S. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to open up our downloads folder and make sure that we don't have any files named 3S flatfile.txt. In our case we don't. Take that back, we do. So we're going to go ahead and delete those. The reason why we want to do this is to make sure that later on in 3S we don't have to worry about renaming the file. So that way 3S will be able to read it. So what we're going to do, now that we're back on the Presquad website, is we're going to go up to our account and select Shoot Manager. Here you'll see a list of your shoots. In this case I'm part of the Jingle Bells and Shotgun Shells event. So I'm going to come down here to Actions and select Download Data. And then underneath the data format, I can either select 3S Trap or 3S Trap including block squads. Now, if you decide to include block squads, any of the squads that you have blocked through Presquad are going to show up as saved in 3S. For this demonstration, I'm not going to include the block squads, so I'm just going to select 3S Trap. And then I'm going to select Download. Once the file is complete, go ahead and minimize your web browser. Open up Shoot Pro. Go to the File menu. Select number 12, Presquad. Then we're going to make sure that it says Import 3S flat file and load Presquad.com flat file. Select Run. Then go ahead and navigate to your Downloads folder. Find 3S flat file, the one that we just downloaded, and double click on that. And now the program is going to start clearing out the squatting tables, and then it's going to go ahead and import the data from the flat file that we downloaded. And so now if we go to squatting, we can see that our Presquad data has gone ahead and loaded. And that's all it takes to load Presquad data.
If you have any questions, feel free to email us at support@shootingsportsoftware.com or call us at 1-801-396-7800. If you like that video, hit the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see when we post new content, hit the subscribe button. And if you'd like to receive notifications on when we post new videos, hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.